Installation method for multistage pump. Check with a water level. The surface must be flat and level, without waves, cracks, or depressions. Place the pump frame on the concrete and tighten with foundation bolt nuts. For larger pumps, use anchor bolts instead of wall plugs. Use a water level to check the frame alignment. If uneven, insert shims to level it. If you tighten the bolts directly on an uneven foundation, the frame may bend or warp, causing alignment problems. Place the pump and motor on the frame and perform pre-alignment. Suction side pipe installation and precautions. When installing, keep the enlarged side facing downward to prevent air pockets. Flexible joint installation. To absorb stresses, axial, pulling, thrust forces, so that pump/motor alignment is not affected. Also prevents vibration from being transmitted from the pump to the pipeline. Suction pipe installation. Install the suction pipe with a slight downward slope of about 3 degrees toward the water surface. If not sloped, airlock or priming problems may occur when starting the pump. Negative suction condition, pump located above water level. A foot valve must be installed. It is recommended to use the foot valve provided by Han Sein Thant Company, for better reliability. If the foot valve is not the correct size, it can cause reduced water flow, pump cavitation, and even damage the pump, shortening its service life. The foot valve check valve must always be submerged at least 3 feet below the water surface and should be located about 8 inches above the reservoir floor. Discharge side pipe installation and precautions. At the pump discharge, install the following accessories: elbow, flexible joint, check valve, and gate valve. Install a pressure gauge at the pump discharge to monitor pump pressure. After installing all suction and discharge pipeline accessories, perform the final alignment of the pump and motor. Once a good alignment result is confirmed, the pump can be started. During operation, follow the operation manual provided by Han Sein Thant Company.